Welcome back to the Income Parent channel. By the end of this video, you will learn the two biggest online money making opportunities that can make you at least $1 million a month and that can put you on a trajectory to be wealthier than even Elon Musk when you reach his age. In second place, we have TikTok personal brand. Khaby Lame, the most followed TikToker, makes a whopping $750,000 per TikTok video, and that doesn't even take into account his sponsorships. And Khaby revealed this himself in an interview with Fortune. You might think that TikTok is a joke, and it is indeed for the amount of money that they pay per views for the average person. But the method we described in this video can make you up to $1 million per post. And wait until we reveal the number one method, because it will absolutely blow your mind. You might think that you need to be a genius or celebrity to get any views on TikTok, but Khaby Lame begs to differ. He's an immigrant who was born in Senegal, but his family relocated to Italy when he was a child, and he has lived there ever since. He worked 3 jobs as a factory worker, waiter, and machine operator in a warehouse outside of Turin, making $1,000 a month until March 2020 when the COVID-19 pandemic began, and he lost his jobs and income in a period of complete economic collapse in Italy. But he didn't just become an overnight success, because in the early lockdowns, Lame began creating TikTok material in which he danced or played video games, but according to him, he only got 2 views and 2 subscribers in 1 month. Lame's material didn't take off until he started using the TikTok duet function. And according to Forbes, he made $6 million in 2021 just from TikTok alone, without saying a single word, and without being a celebrity or having any special skills. But if you have special skills, that's even better. TikTok star Charli D'Amelio, who was the highest paid TikTok creator in 2021, earning almost $17.5 million from dancing videos, because she's one of the best dancers in the world. So how can you do it as well? We have built a network of over 20 million followers with faceless team page channels, and this is our step-by-step blueprint. Step 1, you have to pick a niche. How can you pick the niche? You need to establish how you're going to make money, because you're not making $1 million from TikTok Creator Fund. The most profitable niche is videos without talking, because you can reach a global audience, because only 10% of the people worldwide speak English. The remaining 90% don't. Also dancing niche, because TikTok was initially a dancing app / musical, so you can grow pretty fast. Money making niche is profitable as well, but how can you reach the $1 million per month mark? Brand deals and sponsorships, because TikTok you can reach 100 million views with 0 followers. Brands will pay for quick marketing, whereas on YouTube they might have to wait months to get their message across. On TikTok it's done in days. It's also quick because it's a 30-second video, not a 2-hour podcast. MrBeast is charging $200K to $1 million per 30-second to 1-minute video promotion on his TikTok account, according to a recent interview he's done. How good does that sound to you? Let me know in the comments, because with even 100K followers, if you can get a brand 1 million views, they will pay you at least $10,000 for it. And you can reach the 100K follower mark in 30 days or even with 1 single video. So pick the most profitable, entertaining, and broader niche, because the more followers you will have, the more views you will get, the more money you will be able to make. Guys, you can't ignore this money making method. Step 2, once you pick the niche, you need to research the videos. TikTok is all about trends, so until you reach 10K, 50K, 100K followers, or even 1 million followers, you need to jump on trends. You can find the most viral content by searching in the TikTok search bar and filtering by the last 30 days most liked. Step 3, you can recreate those videos or find a way to transmit the same message in your own way. Step 4, post 3 times a day until you hit 1 million followers. Then you can post 2 times per day. So the question is, will you give this method a try? Let me know in the comments, and any questions I might try to answer them. Pro tip, never sacrifice quality over quantity. If you can't do 3 videos a day, start with 1 and gradually increase it. You'll need a lot of testing to see what works for you, but keep in mind, quantity over quality will ruin your momentum. Coming in number 1 is YouTube personal brand. MrBeast was recently offered $1 billion for his channel. He then said even $10 billion will not suffice it. Gary Vee then replied on TikTok saying not even $20 billion is enough for what MrBeast has built in only 10 years just via YouTube. Just MrBeast Burgers generated $100 million last year. And because MrBeast reinvests everything, he will grow this business at 1,000,000% per year. Keep in mind, MrBeast is only 24 years old. Elon Musk is 51 years old. So in 27 years, MrBeast can reach the $1 trillion mark if he keeps going at this rate, of course. And you are wondering if you should still start your YouTube channel? Literally the biggest opportunity in the world. You can make $100,000 to $1 million just with 1 single video. That's no joke. Most people make that in their lifetime. Step 1, you need to find a niche. If you are not sure, then choose a random niche, because the more unpredictable you can be with your videos, the more money you will make. The most important thing is to just get started. You can define your niche better as you go along. Step 2, the most important bit is to remain authentic and just to be yourself, because in a world of fake people, you can easily stand out. You can research trends on YouTube by using this rule: posted in the last 30 days, 1 million views and 10 times the amount of views than followers. Step 3, you don't need any specific background, studio or gear. You can just record with an iPhone on the street. Step 4, once you have your inspiration from the viral video, use the idea to create a script. It's important to keep the videos 2 to 5 minutes long at the beginning, as very few people know you due to short spans of attention. Step 5, once you have the script, record. For editing, you can use Final Cut or Premiere Pro. These softwares aren't free, but you can find free versions on Google as well. You can also find additional copyright-free stock footage on websites like Shutterstock or Motion Array and download everything to your laptop, merge all the footage together. Step 6, post 2 times per week. Pro tip, use the YouTube Shorts channel to drive traffic to your long form channel. You can do this by creating a YouTube Shorts channel like Income Parent Shorts. Post the most viral copyright-free contents in your niche and promote your YouTube until you get to monetization. 4,000 watch time hours and 1,000 subscribers. If you don't want to do this step, you can reach out to my Instagram account Income Parent for paid shoutouts or other short theme pages. So the question is, will you jump on the YouTube train before it's too late? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video valuable, hit the like button and subscribe for more.